Hey folks, it's Steve, and this is why you need a portfolio. You're a software engineer. You write elegant code. You solve complex problems. You spend countless hours perfecting your craft, debugging and optimizing. Your work is your passion, and you take pride in every line of code you write. But how do you prove that to potential employers? How do you convey the depth of your skills and the breadth of your experience in a way that truly stands out? You need something more, something tangible. You need a portfolio. Recruiters often have a stack of resumes taller than their monitor. Each one claims to have exceptional coding skills and a passion for technology. Each resume boasts exceptional coding skills and passion for technology. Sound familiar? Recruiters have a tough job. They need to find the best candidate. And how can they do that when everyone looks the same on paper? Recruiters need a way to cut through the noise. They need something that will make a candidate stand out. Something that will show them who the candidate really is. That's where your portfolio comes in. A portfolio is more than just a collection of your work. It's a showcase of your skills, your creativity, and your passion for coding. A strong portfolio is your secret weapon in the job market. It's a visual and interactive representation of your abilities. It tells a story that a resume simply can't. It goes beyond the bullet points on your resume. It provides context, depth, and personality to your work. It shows potential employers not just what you've done, but how you've done it. It showcases your skills, your creativity, and your passion for coding. It's a platform where you can highlight your best projects, explain your thought process, and demonstrate your problem-solving abilities. It's your chance to show, not just tell, what you're capable of. So, take the time to build a portfolio that truly represents you. Make it as unique as your code. Let it be the key that opens the door to your next big opportunity. Think of your portfolio as a curated gallery of your best work. It's where you get to demonstrate your abilities in action. Employers aren't just looking for technical skills. They want to see how you think, how you solve problems, and how you bring your ideas to life. A well-crafted portfolio tells a story. It's a narrative of your journey as a software engineer, highlighting your growth, your achievements, and your potential. It's a chance to connect with potential employers on a deeper level, showcasing your unique talents and personality. So, what makes a portfolio stand out from the crowd? Here are a few key elements that employers look for. First, diversity is key. Showcase a range of projects that demonstrate your versatility and adaptability. Include personal projects, open source contributions, and even hackathon wins. Second, clarity is crucial. Make your portfolio easy to navigate and understand. Use clear and concise language to describe your projects and your role in them. Finally, professionalism matters. Your portfolio is a reflection of you as a professional. Ensure that it's visually appealing, well organized, and free of errors. Don't just list your projects. Tell their stories. Each project in your portfolio should have a dedicated section. Provide context. Explain the inspiration behind each project. What problem were you trying to solve? Describe the initial challenge that sparked the idea for your project. What technologies did you use? Detail the tools, languages, and frameworks that were essential to your project. What were the challenges, and how did you overcome them? Share the obstacles you faced and the creative solutions you implemented. Use case studies to illustrate your process and your problem-solving skills. Dive deep into specific examples where your expertise made a difference. Potential employers want to see how you approach challenges and develop solutions. They're interested in your methodology and your ability to adapt. Walk them through your thought process, step by step. Explain your reasoning and the decisions you made along the way, highlighting your technical skills and your ability to think critically. Show how you break down complex problems into manageable tasks. Remember, your portfolio is more than just lines of code. It's a narrative of your journey as a developer. It's a testament to your ability to bring ideas to life. Make it engaging, informative, and reflective of your unique skills and experiences. Include any collaborative efforts, such as team projects or hackathons, to showcase your ability to work well with others. Highlight feedback and iterations. Show how you improved your projects based on constructive criticism. Keep your portfolio updated with your latest work. Regularly add new projects and refine existing ones to reflect your growth. Your portfolio is a living document. Use it to tell your evolving story as a developer, and let it be a powerful tool in your career journey. Section 5. The unexpected secret weapon. Passion projects. Want to really make your portfolio stand out? It's not just about listing your job experiences or the technologies you know. Here's the hook. Include passion projects. These are the projects you work on outside of your regular job, driven purely by your interest and enthusiasm. Yes, you read that right. Passion projects can be the game changer in your portfolio. Employers love to see what you're passionate about outside of work. It gives them a sense of who you are beyond your professional skills. Passion projects demonstrate your initiative, your creativity, and your willingness to go above and beyond. They show that you have the drive to learn and create, even when it's not required. They show that you're not just coding for a paycheck. You're genuinely excited about using your skills to build something meaningful. This kind of enthusiasm is contagious and can set you apart from other candidates. Whether it's a mobile app that helps people find the best local coffee shops, a tool that simplifies daily tasks, or a game that brings joy to users, or a website that tracks your favorite sports teams' stats, these projects highlight your ability to take an idea and turn it into a functional product. Passion projects add a personal touch to your portfolio. They make your portfolio more than just a list of skills and experiences. They make it a reflection of who you are. They give employers a glimpse into your personality and what drives you. When you talk about these projects in an interview, your passion will shine through, making you a memorable candidate. So, don't hesitate to showcase your passion projects. They could be the key to landing your dream job. Remember, it's not just about what you can do, but also about what you love to do. Passion projects are a testament to your dedication and love for your craft. They tell a story that goes beyond your resume, a story that can captivate potential employers and set you on the path to success. Section 6. Bonus tips to make your portfolio shine. Ready to take your portfolio to the next level? Here are a few bonus tips to make it even more impressive. A short, engaging video introduction can help you connect with employers on a more personal level. Use this opportunity to showcase your personality and your passion for software engineering. Your portfolio should reflect your personal brand. Choose a design and tone that aligns with your professional identity. Don't leave employers hanging. Include a clear call to action on your portfolio, encouraging them to connect with you. Section 7. Feedback is your friend. Seek it out. You've poured your heart and soul into building your portfolio. Now it's time to get some feedback. Share your portfolio with friends, family, mentors, and fellow developers. Ask for their honest opinions and suggestions for improvement. Don't be afraid of constructive criticism. It's invaluable for identifying areas where you can strengthen your portfolio and make it even more impactful. Remember, the goal is to create a portfolio that effectively showcases your skills and helps you land your dream job. Section 8. Stay connected for more career wisdom. Building a strong portfolio is just one piece of the puzzle. The job search can be a complex and ever-changing landscape, but don't worry, we're here to help. Stay connected for more career advice, interview tips, and industry insights. We'll share our knowledge and expertise to help you navigate the job market with confidence and achieve your career goals. Section 9. Your dream job awaits. A well-crafted portfolio is your ticket to landing your dream job in software engineering. It's your chance to shine, to demonstrate your skills, and to make a lasting impression on potential employers. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your portfolio today. With hard work, dedication, and a little bit of creativity, you'll be well on your way to landing that coveted software engineering role. Remember, your next big opportunity is just a click away. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more tips on building a successful career in software engineering.